to my understanding, he might try show up for himself. He can say, yo, see how we are, man, around us. If a badness, we will defend you. If I'm money, blah.
Alright, not too choppy.
He might try though.
Manners people.
Hold on the walk. Hold on there. Jappa Dan, come through.
Yeah, watch you know. Remember said this a stem from far, I know. Remember said Jaii Frais, they have a girl we come on our podcast can tell the world said that them and them out smell bad, you know. So from then time where that thing here come from, you know, brother. You see me? One girl he come on the dog podcast and say Javi mouth stink and then wear it so.
But Jaii
From this
never met the girl said that. The girl said that. Jaii never met the girl said that.
No, yeah, the girl said that on her own, so.
Hold on there, Stacky. We're not interrupting him. Give him landing point, please.
True from this, so it's like, it come like a be a little word that you until that the man they go build tune and a whole bag of things start. But we go on last night is just a thing for show the world say, don't bother come try bully no man and feel like say some man soft. You see me? Them always a come with them kind of thing that I come group up and feel like them can bully someone and show the youth nah really push no violence. And you see me? The youth humble and them way then it feel like they need a box of him and it just goes and people laugh off of Jaii Frais and them with it. But this a proof to some youth say brother, when you see some man, you know fi stop underestimate man and take man thing light. Cause man we just make up their mind and do things, you see me? But big up still, that me that say, you see me?
I'm a general respect man. Appreciate it. Walk.
Yeah, manners my general, manners people. Yeah, what we really want to say is it only things I done this so.
Jesus Christ. Walk, we don't want to go no further, man. We want to stop right there, so.
Yeah, we don't want to go no further, but I don't know the youth already, and I know how nowadays how the youth are them program. Man, I want to defend them thing, man, I want to defend them brother, cousin, family, whatever. So, we know say not done this, so. I'll be honest, we don't say not done this.
But we don't want to go no further. We are preaching peace.
Hold on,
Stacky, hold on. We can't, we don't want to preach no war. We want
peace.
Yeah,
we don't want a war or nothing still, but we don't know how reprise and how them think they go already. We don't know how
we don't want to go there, so we want then let it go.
Alright.
You see me?
Yeah, my general. You understand?
Yeah, because you go mash up, as we say, you see, chain reaction. If you realize it, a tree in the last week, a tree instant where we see man or woman who say something on the media get accosted and get violated. One girl, she get one box in her face where they are AC hotel about 2 days ago because somebody on line and her way back and forth. She feel like she could go this girl. Right? That's in 48 hours, right? We see Frostman say something on the live, one ex-brethren and female wife put on the man here go choke the man. And now this again. We can't make what people say on the media. We go put ourselves in a trouble and we might lose our life. Because think about it. Them see Jaii Frais and box him. And when Javi pull out the gun, Jaii Frais take it from him and turn on and lick him in the head. Him go dead to just something and Jaii Frais that get way.
Yeah.
Because you know what the man from the man come and go box the man. Wanna box the man for? Load the man alone. Him say why he say already, leave it alone. Him say him have your opinion, you have your opinion. Him say you drop off, you fall off, you broke. Show him say you no drop off and you no fall off and you no broke. You see me, I say, go and go do your music, continue do your show them, and just don't say a chat about their chat.
Real talk. Ego.
Now look on it. How much of them could have lose their life last night, bro? Look how much of them could have lose their life last night. A few of them well could have lose their life last night, brother. Enough of them could have lose their life last night over what? A man say you fall off? Really that? A man say you fall off and you broke? And you go show the man say you're a bad man or you're man. As a matter, I'll show you a thing. I'll show you all this disgusting. You know, say, are the manager should I tell 450 say let go that? Why him have to go do that? The manager should have said to 450 say, you know what? No follow up Jaii Frais, man. I want them man just do music and make we do music and show them boys so we not broke. Him go do it?
Yeah, but I defend the youth, I defend himself, man. And the youth, he deserve it.
I approve.
Yeah, man, he deserve it.
Alright, respect your work.
Man, big up yourself.
You go ask how bad for the artist, because mother book him. Can me go say everywhere you go violence, follow you know.
Exactly. That go put him in that trouble. Before my girl talk, James Henry, come through. Mr. Henry, you still there? Mr. Henry. You know, so my friend go shell along this, you know, so me put her for last. What is bongo clocks? Or bongo clocks? Or bongo clocks?
Yeah, man.
Go through now.
Yo, what me I say still, you know, bro, what happened, you know, it kind of supposed to happen, you know, brother, because at the same time, your kind of job same way what you're doing, you know,
Exactly.
You can work, you know, and enough time you say some things, and I just say a public knowledge, and you don't want to see a man box it on the make like a street, brother, and beat you up on them, you see me?
Yeah.
So them thing here, bro, what happened, bro, I just feel it happens makes people know, say, yo, when they see people out the road, and feel loud them, because you don't know what a man capable of doing, you understand?
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
And at the same time now, film career can mash up because of this, you know, brother, you see me?
But the thing about it, you know, Mr. Clarks, is that I know the artist, as the producer or the manager, you should have tell the artist to allow certain things alone, or you get involved in this.
But may you know say if you're one man apart and one man beat a man out of your entourage, your name I go call. Cause nobody don't know the man that beat up. You, brother. You see me fall under your entourage, you know, you see me? So the artist I go get the bad name at all time. We see that happen over the years. You see me? But bro, it's just a sad thing, bro. If you know say your man can just doing job and talk when you want to talk, and a man see a man and go on about in business, bro. Cause a premeditated thing, man. Them plan it, man. As anytime we see that boy, they will go box him down. You see me? I that reach them, man.
I think what really I'm trying to say is that as the manager, you should have the knowledge of public relations. So you're supposed to diffuse situation like this. You're responsible for 450 brand. You understand what I say?
Yeah,
You
true,
should
man.
be the one to initiate what happened. And that really I try to say.
That is with me. Thank you, mama.
Yeah,
Exactly, pineapple. Because you're supposed to know better as a manager. And again, some of the people them, we also have to look at some of the people them where them artists are giving manager over them. You can't give a man manager over you when you know nothing about it, when you know how to calm situation, where everything them fuel you and throw fuel to the fire to make it get worse. You have to understand, say, yo, at that time, you're supposed to just chill and just say, yo, leg of that. Yo, 450 I go to Canada, he might go to America, he might go to England, he might go all over go do show. But what Jaii Frais say can offend you that much that your manager go think to box him.
Okay, so now we get the public knowledge that I know Jaii Frais gonna for the producer gun. So what you think now? You think Jaii Frais is gonna free from all
it's not the producer's gun.
Well, based on them say it's a second man when pull off a gun and Jaii Frais disarm him. Because based on what it look like Jaii Frais and Javi grab up, right? And it look like the people gonna start coming in. So one of the boy now kind of must drop draw next gun. So apparently Jaii Frais grab a gun from him now and bust 2 shots and Javi shoot off of Jaii Frais. Or must shoot Jaii Frais and body because Jaii Frais run off. Is it because enough for them?
Yo, this looks serious, no, brother.
So the latest report is Javi boxed Jaii Frais when he was coming from the restroom because him a like, you know how you're not behind your podcast anymore today. So me buck you up here in a reel.
Yeah.
Put on 2 bucks on him. Easy yourself, you chat too much. Jaii Frais now didn't even start attempting to help back himself yet before the entourage rushed down on him. The first person that approached him had a firearm. So he disarmed that person. In the moment now, Jaii pointed his gun at Jay when he realized, say, Jay disarmed one of his entourage members. Shots fired. Still don't know if a Jaii shot Jaii Frais. You have to wait for ballistic reports to decipher that, because you don't know if somebody else in the entourage had a gun. So he got shot when shot fire, him fire back, and he was running towards the police. He got shot in his back. That is what happened. So nobody don't know for sure if it was Jaii that fired the shot that wounded Jaii Frais.
Or somebody else in the entourage and what pull a next weapon, eh?
I don't think people understand. You can't really say a Jaii injure him because you don't know who else in the entourage had a firearm, because everything was happening so quickly. But he did say Jaii pulled his gun, you know.
Yeah, so but all right, I'm gonna show you thing and Ras come and say that. I'm gonna show you something. And bear with me.
Yes, allegedly.
Allegedly. Suppose nobody in no entourage have no other thing. Suppose that thing of it Jaii Frais, but Jaii Frais selling story fast and quick.
Exactly, Reedy. Exactly. Like, I thought of it too, because he is in the care of the hospital, right? Mm-hmm. He is currently under
police guard.
They're gonna take his story from him, and even if he had an unlicensed firearm, him cannot tell them, say, oh, that was mine. Him have to say, well, me get a box, me see couple man run down pa me wheel have something off for one of them, you know, and whatever. So it's like,
and he's quick like that, you know.
Can be, you know, just an allegation,
but,
you know.
But more ask a question, because we all have to think about this.
Yeah.
If you say you're on Pineapple War, right? And me buck you, and I me a munching about 3 away, I'm go box you. Don't you think somebody out of the entourage go video it for happy if you say you get boxed?
Not necessarily. Sometimes it not happen like that.
Okay. If you say
can be.
If you say something get catch.
No, it's not impossible. It's not impossible for something get catch, but maybe the positioning of where the incident took place. Because Mama tell you too, I think one of the many reasons why the beginning of the altercation wasn't caught on camera is because it was at the beginning of the incident, of the event. Like, persons were just coming in.
Also, wait, Kira, what are you saying to me? And a mash party mash up in a Migla.
No, the party not even really begun yet. Everybody was just coming in.
Enter the place, you know, in rush to the bathroom.
Yeah, but me I think he entered the place because him, you know, say
no, then as he enter the party, he rush to the bathroom, and that's where they attack him, at the bathroom.
Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you that when he came from the
they wanted to do it without evidence. I just hearsay, you go hearsay and get it. So I think they on that video themselves they do it.
Right, and then it probably them you know, probably think, oh, then just go box him up and the party never go mash up. It still was gonna happen. You just go here say, oh, little scuffling guana. We here say so and so get boxed up. But because of you know, there's something there.
Well, say it, you know. Is it the industry or something? Because yesterday, from look how long me I drive.
Everybody that asked me if I was at the event, I am reading the literal news report and I'm trying to make sense of it for myself. But all I want to hear something, and uno could be the John Wick in this situation because uno no quick thinking. Uno no quick thinking because guess what? As what really say, because I thought about it too when we get up this morning and Missy said the story changed. Right? When Missy said the story changed this morning, because I remember last night then it say, I feel him hitting her.
Yes.
And then this morning we wake up and hear say, I know feel him hit. Him actually disarmed somebody. So I'm saying, we slept and the story took a turn.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you go here now from, remember, you know, the man is a social media person.
Mm-hmm.
He knows how to be creative.
Yeah,
so
manipulate the system.
Right. So if me know say, hey, shit, like if this nigga go pass out because the other guy he's in critical condition, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the bystander is not in critical condition, but the entourage member is in critical condition. Now, if I'm not a licensed firearm holder and me still have a strap, because enough man not have license, but them have a strap, right?
A Jamaica, yep.
Right. So if I'm not a licensed firearm holder, which I don't understand how this event was held at a police property, so to speak, right? And persons were allowed to enter with firearms. So that is the first red flag right there. Because when I was in Jamaica,
come close to police friend.
Oh, when I was in Jamaica, the event I went to, you had to log your firearm before you go through the gate.
Yep.
Right? And then you go back and pick it up when you're leaving. Now you happen to enter, both of you enter with it. Both of whoever was in the incident that had it, I'm talking about. So both of who had it went in with it. Now if I have an illegal firearm to defend myself, and I'm speaking on a different scenario here. This is just me picking my own brain. I have an illegal ray because FLA no want give me nothing to protect myself. I mean, no say I'm a smart talker and my opinion rile up the crowd. So me gonna need to defend myself when me out in the streets, because me see how them box up my friend and try to make him a laughing stock. But him surpass the odds. Let me tell you something about Jamaica. One way to kill somebody, to finish off somebody's career in the dancehall industry is by beating them.
Yep.
You see, when you beat them, you become a laughing stock, you become weak. It means that any other, because remember, say, dancehall have a lot to do with ego and badness and you know who is who. So for most people, them go say, okay, if my box up that boy, him can go back on a podcast, go talk shit about the entourage or the artist because you're weak, right? It happen. Notice everybody will get beat up. How far you see them career go? You have to be very smart for your career not done. You know, so I'm not gonna done talk. Read it. Looking at comments. Right it. I wonder if they must say read it if you tell me if you tap.
No. Hey, you see when my girl over here talk? Oh no, if you don't have a problem, you know, go on, you know. I'm around this, you know. Next who? You turn off the comment. Stop.
Anyways, I go and talk. So read it. when me see that now, they went there to prove to him, say, listen to me.